Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm about to start making breakfast because we're going to church today. It's Sunday. 8:26 right now. And I also have a grocery order getting delivered today because I placed the order last night to get it delivered today. So we're going to be making dinner today. I'll be making baked chicken and rice and peas. Or some people call it bean. I'm Jamaican, so I call it rice and peas. But yeah. Y'all, I almost forgot that my toddler asked me for waffle. I'm about to make her a waffle because I almost forgot.
Mama, what are you making?
I'm making your waffle. My toddler, she's watching Little, the mouse movie. She called it the mouse movie. This is her fourth time now watching it. I used to love that movie growing up. Y'all, this is my breakfast. A fried egg and toast. All day, mama, every day. Mama, mama, mama.
Okay, showing.
It's not Dada. It's our grocery. Our grocery order just got delivered. It's 9:06. So, perfect time. Amira, grapes or blueberry? You see something you want? Which one? Yeah. Good morning. Amira.
Mama.
But y'all, this is the breakfast. This one is my toddler,
Mama.
and this one is from a 50-month-old.
Let me hear my shoe.
Y'all, my toddler, she eats honey with every single thing. Like whatever you can name, like food, she want honey on it. So I'm gonna give her a honey. Now these are all the groceries that I got. I got us some more eggs. Sure, these are good. Yeah, I'm about to look the girls' clothes because last night I forgot to put their clothes out. So I'm about to do that right now. This one, which one? This one? This one?
Yeah.
Now that's the only thing Layla let me do to her here. Anything else is a no-no. Ooh.
Mama have the cookie for cookie. Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah.
me?
No.
That's where you say yes, you.
No. Lele took the cookie from the cookie jar. Lele, you took the cookie from the cookie jar? Yeah? Oh. Yeah, you did. Lele said, uh-oh.
Layla, you just moved that table all by yourself? Girl. Right click. How cute is this? And they were only $7.99 in Ross. Yesterday we went to Ross and Burlington. And I got these little cute shoes. But these are the shoes Amira gonna wear to church. It's 10:14, so I'm gonna go make my bed and get myself ready. Oh, she wanna show you her other pair of shoes. So we got these one as well. And they lights up. These are her first pair of lit up shoes. But I need to return them and get a bigger size. No, no, no. What's that? You took that out your sister here? Come here. Y'all, this is our church outfit. We are ready to go to church. Layla trying to get the mic. Stop, please. Say, wave.
And to cause flourishing everywhere they go. And God put beauty and capacity.
We're back home from church. About maybe 20 minutes now. I changed my clothes because I was hot. Now I'm about to start dinner. Y'all, these fruit flies are so annoying. They're like getting on top of my nerves. Like every second I see one like flying across my face and I'm like, ugh. Oh, I just replaced this one and it got a whole bunch on it now. But there's like still more. Like every second I see flying in front of me. But anyways, I'm gonna clean up because I didn't clean up before we leave. And y'all, guess what? We were early. Like we were making good time to go to church and whatnot. And we were like 10 minutes late. Like we were making good timing and all, but we still end up being 10 minutes late. It was a little bit chaotic, I'm not gonna lie. They're so good, especially this one. If y'all never try it, y'all should try it. It's really good. I have good source of fiber. If you like low on fiber, it's oats and dark chocolate. It's nut and gluten free as well. Y'all, why is my toddler on the coffee table right now? She's like laying down on the coffee table. Whenever y'all do dishes, do you have the water running? This is the chicken that I seasoned up last night. But to put it in the oven. It smells good. I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken broth. Chicken bone broth. You gonna help me, baby? I'm almost done. Okay.
She's gonna go to.
You're gonna pour. Actually, let me pour a little bit more in it. This is the meat before I put it in the oven. Y'all, this my peas. I'm about to add coconut milk in it, or coconut powder, and all my seasoning. Now these are all the seasonings that I'll be putting in my pot. The coconut oil, I'm gonna put butter in it as well. Some thyme, onion or scallion, coconut powder, and salt, and some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. She said she want to do the dishes. Yeah, she always want to be in the kitchen with me. I'm not even kidding. Sometimes I don't want her in the kitchen with me. So these are pimento seeds.
And I have the kitchen in here. So
If you don't want them like this, you can just like crush them. Yeah, I love hearing Rihanna's voice in this movie. We watch it a bunch of times too. My toddler loves it.
And I'm watching home.
You're watching home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And okay.
It's looking like. Give it one more stir. I'm making my toddler a little sandwich before she takes a nap, or if she takes a nap. Do you want carrots or grapes? Okay, your sandwich is ready.
Mama, no, I'm cleaning. I do a sandwich.
Yeah, when she in the kitchen with me, it's like she don't want to get out. Especially if I let her do something that she wants to do. I wash my rice and like put it down before I put it in the pot. What? And the apple? Okay, Lay. Let's do that first. 2, 8.
On my way. Lily, that's mine. On my way, Lily, way.
One YouTuber that I follow, she
Mama.
mentioned this on her page. She mentioned this, so I said I'm gonna give it a try, and it actually smells really good.